Welcome to the Daily Blizzard, and today we're talking with the Australian brand Rhythm to get Rhythm. Rhythm dropped their brand new edit filmed all last year as they traveled through Sweden, Holland and Denmark, or Holland or Netherlands depending on where you come from, and it's got snowboarding and skating and really bad guitar playing. No money messing, it's not that bad, check this out.
I get sick at my work every day. There is no cure but to stay away without pay.
So as you can see in the edit, you got a grumpy team manager. So what do? We go and find out what's behind the grumpy team manager, and we caught up with Jason Horton. So Jason, we've seen you trolley the back end of your team bus. Has your driving got any better?
What are you trying to say? I don't consider myself to be a bad driver. I prefer exciting driver.
You have to switch your car door. Sometimes the old door can't take anymore.
So if you were to describe Rhythm as a song, what would it be?
Well, assuming you could have rhythm in the word, I'd probably go for Johnny Cash's Get Rhythm. It definitely wouldn't be Rhythm is a dancer, although clearly Rhythm is a dancer.
So who's in your dream team?
Well, we're currently trying to simplify the team by only having guys called Sean on the team. So it's gonna be Sean Palmer, Sean White, and then Sean Ryder for the drugs. Yeah.
So if you were to describe Rhythm Riders or the Rhythm team in 3 words, what would it be?
Lazy, untalented, and lazy.
So that's it from us today. Make sure you check back tomorrow, as you do every day. And thank you for watching. See you all tomorrow.